Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be about this Walmart favorites latest in lips set, guys. So right now in Walmart, the favorites set is going on, guys. They have something for eyes, face, lips, and one is a multi-pack where you'll have everything together. I will post the clippings of the other favorite boxes at the end of this video so you guys can get an idea. Today we will be talking mostly about this lip kit, guys. So here are the products. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 products, and this retails for $10. So which is a good deal to buy and try it out, the favorite lips. So once we open, this is how it looks here. They have written latest in lips, make a statement with the ultimate assortment of lipsticks, glosses, liners and smoothing lip treatments. So, and they also say tag them with hashtag Walmart Beauty, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's black and pink combo, and at the back you have a description for each and every lip product. So overall they say that this lip kit retails for $47, and I got this for $10. So yeah, if you can see, these are the things. They totally have 7 lip products. Let me quickly open it. So this is the place where I can open and everything slides out. First, let's talk about the lip patch, guys. I will not be testing the lip patch today, and I'll just read what it is. It is from the brand SOAE. It says My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. It's smooth plus moisturized plumped lips for plumped effect. So it is super very complex, and you have to apply this mask for 10 to 15 minutes on the lips, guys. So that is what it says. Smooth away lip lines, dry cracked lips in 10 to 15 minutes with nourishing and moisturizing benefits of super berries. Soy My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch is infused with a special blend of collagen and nutri-rich fruit and plant extracts. I think this brand is exclusive to Walmart. I'm not sure, because whenever I buy Walmart beauty boxes, I used to get one of the sheet masks from SOAE brand, and I have seen their products in Walmart too. So this is about this lip kit, guys. The first lipstick in this set is from the brand Wet n Wild, guys. It's Wet n Wild MegaLast Liquid Catsuit HighShine lipstick. This is in the shade 942B Flirt Alert. This box is mostly targeted for the Valentine's Day look, I guess, theme, because most of the products are pinks, in pinky tones. So this is how the lipstick looks, guys, and I'm not going to swatch this lip product. The next lip product is from the brand Neutrogena. It's Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. Lips look and feel hydrated for 24 hours. It has hyaluronic acid in this. This is how this looks, and shade is Radiant Rose 50. Then we have Plumping Serum Max Pout from Hard Candy. This is Supreme Volumizing Lip Gloss, guys. This is in the shade 1411 Max Pout. The packaging is really classic, guys. It is all of rose gold, and this is how it looks. I really like the packaging of this plumping lip gloss. And then we have this Almay Goddess gloss. This is from the brand Almay, and it is in the shade 200 Angelic. So this is how the gloss looks like. It's more pinky gloss. So I'll not be swatching this too. The next lipstick is from the brand Burt's Bee, guys. This is Burt's Bee liquid lipstick Rogue. This is in the shade 803 Tidal Top, and I think even this is the full size. To the final product, this is from the brand Flower Beauty, guys. This is Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Lip Range. This is in the shade Dark and Stomy. So these are the final all the products of in this lip kit, guys. I think this is a very good starter kit if you are really new to makeup, and if you are a college going person, and you don't have much budget to spend on each and individual lips, because I think this retails for $8, and Wet n Wild is for about $5. If you see individually, it's as they say, they cost about $43. So if you get this kit, it's only $10, and you will get to try a wide variety of lip products, like few are matte, few are gloss, and few are plumping lip gloss. So I think these are good for the college going students, and few of those I'll be surely including in a giveaway, and I'll be keeping myself only the Flower Beauty and Burt's Bee lipstick, guys. So at the end I'll try to include the swatches of these two. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and stay happy. Bye.